Everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, there is a good news that Microsoft has launched a new Boost software, which will be an antivirus, it will be a scanner, it will remove large files, it will clear junk, and it will boost your PC. Here you need to go to this website. I'll mention the link in the description box where you will find this PC manager of Microsoft. Simple and non-intrusive, safe and secure. You can download for free for Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Whether it's a desktop or a laptop, you can use it and it will look like this, where you have this boost your PC performance. You just need to click on boost, and you can also click on health check. It will go ahead and scan the whole computer and let you know whatever the issue you have, and it will fix it for you. It will also have the storage management, where it will ask you to delete the junk or the large unused files, and there will be process management. You can also disable startups and enable startup, and there is a security option through which you can scan your computer. So overall, it is in beta process, so there will be updates coming. You can see open beta, and here at the very top is the link pcmanager.microsoft.com. You can download and you can let me know how is the performance. Since it's a beta software, I'm not very much confident in that. However, it's a Microsoft product and you can update from time to time, and you do not have to install any third-party software for cleaning or optimizing and making your PC faster. So here you just need to click on download for free and you can use it. So please let me know how's the performance, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.